This recipe will give you a salmon dish that's both juicy and crispy. Let's start with the breading. Put the bread into the food processor, making sure the bread isn't too dry, let's say 1 day old. Now add the herbs. The ones I've chosen are fresh thyme and dill. And then a classic, rosemary and parsley, a generous splash of oil. And then flavor the breading with lemon zest and season with a little salt and white pepper. Blend everything up. And the breading is ready. And here is the star ingredient of this recipe, the salmon. The skin has already been removed. Just make sure there are no bones left in it. And now coat it with the breading. Make sure the breading sticks to the fish, and the oven is preheated to 190 degrees in convection mode, and the salmon will be ready in 20 minutes. Now the salmon is done. And guys, it smells amazing. Now you can serve up the salmon with some green salad on the side. You can cut it with a fork. It's so tender. Delicious.